Keep your hands clean all day by creating Touch-Free Sanitizer Dispenser using PowerMag, non-printable magnetic sheet that can hold heavy objects when applied on an iron surface. But before you watch the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Just prepare sanitizer dispenser, double-sided mounting tape, scissors, and PowerMag. Follow the simple instructions on the screen to create touch-free sanitizer dispenser and hang it on your wall. In reality, most people don't wash their hands frequently at work, and this can lead to costly health and financial consequences, illness, absenteeism, and loss of productivity. With just one touch, germs can spread among coworkers and to new work areas, and have your company soon dealing with an office-wide illness. But using a sanitizer dispenser applied in a wall, we can keep office buildings healthy, happy, and productive work environments. You can apply it on any iron surface or by using our wall covering that is available in different colors. Or apply on any steel surface on your working area. Now, this is a smart plan to keep employees, clients, and building guests bacteria-free anywhere and, let's say, everywhere. Create yours today and stay healthy. For more information, visit our website at www.dichograph.com.